Anti-aging face yoga for facelift. 11 simple facelift exercises and anti-aging face exercises to lift mouth corners and get younger glowing skin. Jut chin. Push lower jaw forward and then backward. This chin jut face exercise will help to lose face fat and lift droopy mouth corners. Jut chin anti-aging face yoga also helps to reduce double chin. Repeat this anti-aging skincare yoga 30 times, twice a day. Lift chin. Lift chin to sides and blow a kiss in air. This anti-aging face yoga will help to reduce neck rings, lift mouth corners and also help to reduce wrinkles around mouth. Repeat these anti-aging face massage techniques twice a day for at least 60 seconds. Lift jowls. Take 2 steel spoons and massage on your cheeks. This anti-aging face exercise will help to lose face fat, lift saggy cheeks, reduce smile lines and remove wrinkles around mouth. Lift lips. One of the best face lifting exercise and anti-aging face yoga to lift saggy cheeks, reduce chubby cheeks, lift jowls and remove laugh lines at the same time. Repeat this face yoga for 1 to 2 minutes and twice a day at least. Lift mouth corners. Droopy mouth corners come with aging. Lift mouth corners using face yoga anti-aging techniques. Smile, lift mouth corners and hold them for 30 seconds at least. Repeat this face exercise to lift mouth corners for 3 times in a day. Lift smile lines with spoon. A regular face massage with steel spoons help to lose face fat, lift cheeks and remove smile lines. This face massage technique is very useful for younger looking skin. It also produces a natural skin glow right after the face exercise. Narrow O and squeeze eyes. Open mouth a little bit, making a narrow O and then squeeze eyes. This anti-aging face yoga and face lifting exercise is best to lift mouth corners, reduce smile lines and lose chubby cheeks fat. Pucker mouth and chin towards shoulders alternatively. This anti-aging face yoga makes cheeks tight, reduce smile lines and also helps to reduce double chin fat. Stretch. Stretch skin around eyes using thumb and index fingers of both hands. Hold this position for at least 1 minute to remove wrinkles around eyes, lose eye bags and reduce hollow eyes. Tongue massage. Massage cheeks' inner sides using your tongue. This is best face exercise to lose face fat, lift jowls, remove smile lines and lift mouth corners. Repeat this face exercise as many times possible to get younger looking skin. Transfer air balloon. Fill mouth with air and then transfer this air balloon to left and right cheeks without opening mouth. This anti-aging face yoga will tight skin, lose face fat, lift jowls, remove smiles and lift mouth.